Every day, in every corner of the world, you can just see when you walk through any supermarket the different types of packages and how they evolved from just several years ago. With enhanced brand colors and special effects, these packages require printing inks that can adapt to these evolving requirements and perform consistently for most modern techniques. In North America, Sun Chemical is committed to the advancement of the packaging industry. By making substantial investments and aligning product technology, Sun Chemical offers innovative solutions to enhance a variety of printing techniques. Recently, Sun Chemical realigned its infrastructure by constructing manufacturing facilities designed to address new levels of flexibility and consistency.
When we built the Kankakee facility, we already had a facility that is very similar in Calipio in Italy, which has been supplying the European market for nearly 10 years. So we took that as our first model and then upgraded that to bring it up to date in terms of the current manufacturing technology that's now available, and then made sure that what that could deliver was an even better product for our customers in the future.
The Kankakee facility was designed with tremendous versatility. In all facets of the plant, from enhanced safety features and automated process control to multi-stage filtering and different batch sizes, Kankakee represents Sun Chemical's dedication to the North America packaging industry.
We're really looking to standardize our systems and to simplify them. By simplifying, you make it easier to be reproducible at all times. And if you standardize, that means that what you reproduce is of a consistent quality.
And I think our customers are looking for what we are doing on our side to be able to make the delivery of the products and the manufacturing of those products as cost effective as possible. So the investment that we've made in the facility, the investment that we're making into the packaging industry, the investment that we're making ultimately with our customers is to be able to translate some of that improved efficiency and improved cost position.
Kankakee produces small and large batches with the same criteria, whether it's producing a 400-pound batch or a 16,000-pound batch. This highly efficient system produces large volumes of single colors as well as small volumes of specialty colors that support our customer requirements.
We took a look at our current portfolio and we looked at what the market demands were from, a lot of our customers are moving now to 7-color process. So that put a demand on specific performance properties, color strength, opacity, and so forth. And so we selected our current product line that would best support that and where we wanted to optimize, and that was the ones we selected to move into our Kankakee facility.
In every aspect of the plant, Sun Chemical placed novel technology matched with automation to create the most state-of-the-art manufacturing facility for the packaging market. As part of the design, the process control and layout maximize the effectiveness of consistency and environmental compliance from start to finish. The process starts with testing of raw materials. Once approved, the raw materials are added into the process. Next, pigment, varnish, and solvent are added into pre-mix tanks. In pre-mix, color development and particle size breakdown starts before moving on to the primary mills. Here, the primary mills reduce the particle size even further while enhancing color. A secondary mill completes this process, where the final polish and color are formed. Throughout each phase of manufacture, the Quality Control Lab and manufacturing constantly review this process through terminals located throughout the plant.
As we download a formula into the system, the process will start by measuring the components that goes into that formulation. It will measure the amount of solvent, making sure that we got the right amount of solvent, so it will track that. It will track the amount of pigment that is inducted into the system, the amount of varnish that is inducted into the system.
Once the product is tested to customer standards, the product's final stage is the automated filling line. This line can adapt to drums or totes based on customer requirements. Throughout this process, there are many value-added elements that consistently yield great results. And by design, there are two featured areas that enhance consistency and product quality.
The dispersion in Kankakee is a bit different than prior plants. It uses a very flexible system. It will allow you to produce more consistent product and tighter particle size distributions, which should have very positive attributes for the way printing inks perform. Also, by controlling that distribution, we can achieve improved rheology so that bases perform the same day in and day out. And in addition to that, the tighter particle size distribution can give a wider color gamut, which in other words is slightly cleaner colors.
Through each phase of the process, Kankakee has specially engineered pipes and stainless steel tanks designed to inhibit batch-to-batch cross-contamination.
This design gives us the ability to get all of the previous batch out of the system into the containers, okay, and less of the residual contamination that might have been left in tanks that we've produced in the past.
This provides enhanced consistency from batch to batch, which promotes cleaner printing inks. Kankakee has other hidden attributes that are part of its design, but simply can't be seen in a container of ink. With the emergence of sustainability in the packaging market, Sun Chemical goes way beyond just product elements of sustainability by implementing manufacturing aspects and sharing our operations scorecards with our customers.
Yeah, we all know as consumers the whole play on being green has been, quite significant over the last number of years. Ultimately, how do your operations, how do the products that you provide to the brand owner end up providing that green footprint to ultimately the consumer? And I see Kankakee as being a manifestation of what we've learned across our various plants, and how do we translate the improvements in emission and waste and other elements of our scorecard into real life, into a new operation like Kankakee.
Sun Chemical's commitment extends from the proven capability and flexibility found in Kankakee to a complementary system found in Northlake, Illinois. Here, the same process and control system are implemented to produce white bases. Northlake also constructed a new dedicated solvent manufacturing plant to vertically integrate with Sun Chemical's product portfolio.
It becomes very, very clear when you see the Kankakee facility and the Northlake facility that there's a lot of money, time and effort being invested into building these facilities, a lot of care taken into designing them correctly to support the packaging industry for the future. And it shows the commitment of Sun Chemical, and I think any customer leaving those facilities would have no doubt in their mind whatsoever that Sun Chemical is not only fully committed to the packaging industry today, but committed to helping it develop for the future.
Through quality, service, and innovation, Sun Chemical is working for you every day to advance its dedication to the packaging industry.
The most interesting thing to our customers should be that Sun Chemical is reinvesting in our industry. We're putting money into an industry that has been stagnant for a while, and here's Sun reinvesting in our industry because we're committed to the customers and we want to improve and give back.
Yeah, I think our customers are going to be excited on what they're going to see coming out of the Kankakee facility. It's things that they've been asking us for a number of years. I think the investment is going to translate to hard benefits on their end from a product spectrum perspective, from an ability for them to showcase one of their suppliers that has a great sustainability effort behind them. Here's a world-class supplier that's bringing innovation in a cost-effective way to their customer base. For the packaging industry, that's an exciting time, and Sun Chemical is excited about what we're bringing to the industry.